What's up Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do the completely free Hirsch Airbox mod. To be honest, I don't really know how much Hirsch this mod is, but someone once told me that the Hirsch Airbox for the NG93 had some slots on the side, on the cold side of the airbox, to make a little bit better throttle response, I suppose, and get some more air into the intake. But really, I don't know how much gains you will get from this, probably nothing, but since you hear the induction noise a little more, you feel like the car goes a little better. So today we are going to do this mod, which is completely free, and you can do it on mostly all cars. You just need to think about a couple of things. So I have already started to prepare and taking this stuff apart. I'm gonna show you when I put it back how it's done. It's not super hard. All you need is a T25 Torx to loosen these bolts here, and then you need a 7mm to loosen this clamp. Just remove the cover and then this will be all loose. And the plan right here is to drill bigger holes on this side, which is the cold side of the engine, and then the closer we get to the hot side of the engine, the smaller the holes will get. And I also gonna make some holes on the back side as well, but I will leave the hot side of the engine complete and not drill that. So probably it won't do much, but we will hopefully get some more whoosh and some good sound out of it, because the diesel engine doesn't sound fun at all. Okay, so now it's time to mount it back in the car. I hope you can see what I'm doing. You're just gonna thread in these rubber grommets. So that's it, and it's a pretty quick mod, and from above you can't see really anything, but from the side you can see some holes. So let's take it for a spin and see if it sounds anything. So my thoughts on this, I think it was like if you sit in front of the TV with your remote and you turn the volume up one notch. That's pretty much how it felt. The noise wasn't anything like when you run a regular petrol car, and I bet if you do this mod and use like a sports filter or something like that, you will get more noise out of it. I think the original filter blocks a lot of it, but the diesel will not sound as a petrol car. That's just pure fact. And now we have tried it at least, so I think it gave a little bit better throttle response. I didn't think it was going to, but I definitely felt it. And as I said, the volume is a little bit up, but overall it's okay, and it's for free, so you can try. And this mod is, you can do it to almost any car where the air filter box has the same placing in the engine bay, and as long as you don't drill any holes on the hot side, and probably you should stay to the colder side of the airbox would be the best thing. And I don't know if it's a myth or if Hirsch did this mod to their cars. I have never seen it in real life, and I have not seen any like pictures posted of an authentic air filter box that has the slotted on the sides. So if you have one, or if you have the right picture, please post it in the comments below. And everything that's regarding Hirsch, I know they do a lot of research and a lot of development, so I don't think they cut up the airbox just for fun. So probably it does something to the car for performance enhancing. But this car definitely needs a tune, and that's coming real soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you very soon again. Bye!